Being a sponsor of the VBRA is helpful because we have events like this where you get to meet people that are also members of the VBRA. Some people that I may not get an opportunity to taste wine with or even talk about my product to, perhaps here I can. The VBRA benefits me by contacts, by getting in front of people that I might not always get in front of. You get to go around, see what's new in the business because, face it, we are in with food. So, you know, it really is a great way to market yourself and to see what else is going on in Virginia Beach.
The restaurants are one of our partners that we work with. The better service that the restaurants provide the visitors, the more visitors are going to come back to Virginia Beach.
Having a strong relationship with the VBRA is a value to us. They can help us in many ways reach out to the restaurant community and help us to share our mission with restaurants around the area in hopes of getting support.
The VBRA helps us in advertising. Restaurant Week was phenomenal for us. This year was the first year that we participated in Restaurant Week, and we had an awesome week. Things like this where you network around and talk to people, get to understand what's going on in the different restaurants out there. Some of the things that people have tried and it's worked and not worked for them. So it's been very informative and they've helped us out in a lot of different ways of that.
Please contact the VBRA at 422-4420 for more information.